Welcome back to Technophoria, a tech smart review channel where we provide the top 3 recommendations of products under different category, a short and precise review of the product, and a smart product scoring, which will help you choose the best product in a fast and easy way. Today we bring you the top 3 list of premium smartwatches under Rs 20,000. Now the top 3 doesn't mean the first being at the top or third being at the bottom, it's just the list. Now moving on to the first product from our list is the Fossil Gen 5e smartwatch. This smartwatch comes from the brand Fossil, and you know we have already entered the premium segment. Once you take it out of the box, you will realize how premium it feels and looks. It's a circular dial setup with 1.2-inch AMOLED screen which looks crisp and clear, and the touch response is also great. Now this watch definitely feels heavy in a good way. With 120 grams of weight, you will feel a premiumness of the watch on your wrist. It comes with a Snapdragon 3100 Wear chipset with 1GB of RAM and runs on Google Wear OS, which ensures smooth and snappy performance. Play Store is directly accessible from the smartwatch itself. It comes with features like continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, sports mode, built-in GPS and all other basic features. It has a built-in mic and speaker, so you can attend the calls through the watch itself, and the call quality is really impressive. Also, you can reply to the text with on-screen keyboard which can be easily accessed. It has a water resistant rating of 3 ATM, that is 30 meters depth. Feel free to go swimming wearing one of these. It has a connectivity features like Bluetooth 4.2 LE, Wi-Fi and NFC. It comes in 6 different designs with 44 and 42 mm case diameter design, 44 mm for men and 42 mm for women. There are 3 different options for men and 3 different options for female. It's not the color options, it's like a complete new design. Now let's move on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, looks and feels premium. Snappy performance with great touch response. Built-in mic and speaker. Google Wear OS. 3 ATM water resistant. Quick charge available. Now let's see the cons of this product. It doesn't have an oximeter. The battery lasts only about a day under heavy usage. Now let's see the smart score. Look and feel 5/5. Durability 5/5. Features 4.5/5. And the value for money 4.5/5. It is priced at 18,495 or 80,500 rupees. If you want to check this product out, the link is given in the description. Now moving on to the next product from our list is the Fitbit Versa 3 Health and Fitness Smartwatch. It comes from the brand Fitbit. Now this is a square dial setup and is more inclined towards health and fitness rather than a classic looking smartwatch. It definitely looks premium and solidly built. Its body is made up of metal with Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the top. It has a nice flexible wristband which feels super comfortable and premium on the wrist. The process of removing the band from the body is super simple. You can just snap it out. It has a 1.58-inch AMOLED display with really nice and punchy colors. It runs on Fitbit OS which is smooth in operation. The touch response is really good. It's loaded with features like Pure Pulse 2.0, which is a continuous heart rate monitoring, oximeter, sleep monitoring, Google Assistant, built-in Alexa, built-in GPS and many other basic features. It doesn't have a tactile button on the side, rather has some kind of gesture type of sensor to interact with. It also comes with a Fitbit Pay, which is actually a tap to pay contactless payment option, which is a really nice feature to have. It also has 4GB of internal storage and Bluetooth 5.0. With water resistant rating of 5 ATM or up to 50 meter depth, you can go swimming without any problem. It has a mic and speaker built in, so you can attend the calls directly from your watch. The battery life is about more than 6 days, which is decent. It comes with 3 color options, that is black, blue with gold and pink with gold. Now let's see the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it has premium build and looks. It has Alexa and Google Assistant built in, Gorilla Glass 3 protection, 5 ATM of water resistant rating, feature like contactless payment option, fast charging available. Now let's see the cons of this product. A tactile button on the side could have been a better option instead of gesture control sensor, which accidentally operates while working out. Now let's see the smart score. Look and feel 5/5, durability 5/5, features 5/5 and value for money 4.5/5. It is priced at 18,999 or 19,000 rupees. If you want to check this product out, the link is given in the description. And if you buy the product using our link, it will help our channel grow. Now moving on to the third product from our list, Amazfit T-Rex Pro Smartwatch. This smartwatch comes from the brand Amazfit. It is a round dial watch and the G-Shock lovers will love this. It's built rugged and tough. The body is made up of polycarbonate material, but the build quality is really good. It has 15 military grade certification, so you can be sure about this product to take it under any challenging condition. It's good for those who love to do extreme sports. It also has a 10 ATM or up to 100 meter depth of water resistant rating, so you can dive deep wearing one of these and it will handle it easily. The silicone strap feels comfortable to wear on the wrist. The watch is of just 60 gram. Considering its build quality, it's light on the wrist. The screen is 1.3 inch AMOLED always on display, which looks good and easy to read outside. This smartwatch comes loaded with features like continuous heart rate monitoring, oximeter, sleep monitoring, 100 sports mode, built-in GPS and other basic features. It also has a PAI health assessment system and built-in barometer, which tells you the atmospheric pressure and altitude, which is really great. It doesn't have a mic or speaker built in, so you can't pick up the calls, nor can you reply directly from the notification on the smartwatch. The battery lasts around 18 days under casual usage, which is really great. Feel free to take it on a long trip without even thinking about charging it. It comes with two color options, that is black and blue. Now let's move on to the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the pros, it's built very ruggedly and tough with 50 military grade certification. It's light and comfortable on the wrist. It has 18 days of battery life on casual usage, 100 sports mode and PAI health assessment system, 10 ATM of water resistant rating. Now let's see the cons of this product. Gorilla Glass screen protection would have been welcomed. Now let's see the smart score. Look and feel 4.5 by 5. Durability 5 by 5. Features 5 by 5. Value for money 5 by 5. It is priced at around 12,999 or 13,000 rupees, and if you want to check this product out, the link is given in the description. Now these are our top 3 recommendations of premium smartwatch under rupees 20,000. Which one was your favorite? Or if you own one of these, do share your experience in the comment section down below. If you have any other product in your mind, please share it as well. If you liked the video, do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more such tech videos. If you found this video useful, do share it with your friends and family. You can follow our Facebook page as well. The link will be given in the description. If you want us to bring a video on any particular product category, please comment down below with your criteria. We post new videos every week, so we will see you next week.